So today we will take a look at how to measure ingredients using measuring cups and spoons. These measuring sets are commonly available in the market. This is 1 tablespoon, this is 1 teaspoon, this is half a teaspoon, and this is 1/4 teaspoon. This is 1 cup, this is half a cup, this is 1/3 cup, and this is 1/4 cup. So this is the cup which you can use to measure your liquid ingredients. So this measures roughly up to 800 ml, and this is what you can use to measure your liquid ingredients such as milk, water or oil. So this is another glass which you can use for measuring your liquid ingredients. It has a capacity of 500 ml. It is very easily available in the market and it's made of plastic. So when the flour comes in bags, it's pretty compact. That is the reason we need to sift it just to aerate it. So please ensure that you are sifting the flour properly before measuring it in cups. So there are two ways of measuring the flour. The first one is the dip and the sweep method. In this method, you can dip the measuring cup in the bowl of flour, tap it lightly, and then sweep it clean with a sharp knife. The second method is the spoon and sweep method. So you can use your spoon to fill the measuring cup, and then you can tap it lightly and then again clean it with a sharp knife. So when you want to measure the butter using the measuring cups, just ensure that the butter is nice and soft out of the refrigerator a few hours before measuring. Then scoop the butter lightly using the spoon into the measuring cup and then level it using the back of a knife. When you're measuring liquid ingredients using spoons, just make sure you fill them to the rim and then use it. When you are measuring viscous ingredients such as corn syrup or honey, just make sure you lightly grease the measuring cups using either butter or oil. Greasing helps to get all the ingredients cleanly out of the measuring cups and thus giving you accurate measurements.